Hello, welcome to this demonstration of CADM CNC Turn. Here's how you probably write and run a manually written program. You write the program on paper, then transfer the program to the machine. You then keep the machine idle while you check the program in dry run mode, then cut in single block mode. Typically, one or two parts are rejected in this trial cutting because of program errors. Occasionally, there may even be a collision. The machine downtime, rejections, and collisions are costing you a lot of money, reducing your profits. CNC Turn eliminates these problems. It enables you to check the correctness of the program and the toolpath on a PC. This is how you enter and check a program in CNC Turn. You first enter the program in the inbuilt editor, that is a text editor with typical editor features like copy, paste, and replace. You then specify the size of the raw material. You select the CNC controller for which you made the program. You then assign tools corresponding to the tool numbers in the program. For example, T1 may be a PCLNL rough turning tool, T2 may be an SVJBL for finishing, and so on. The tools are selected from a database that has about 20,000 ISO and non-ISO tools commonly used in industry. You can configure this database, add, delete, or modify tools. You then activate the automatic error check. The software scans through the whole program and lists all program errors with their locations. You correct the errors. You now see the toolpath simulation. This can be done in the line mode or in the 3D mode. The raw material, part, and tool are shown to scale with the tool size shown exactly. Collisions are detected and highlighted. The simulation can be done in single block mode or continuous mode, just like on the machine. You can check the program thoroughly for correctness of the toolpath, dimensional accuracy, and safety. What you see here is what you get on the machine. So you get a perfect part on the machine without wasting machine time for checking. This is how CNC Turn improves your profits by eliminating machine downtime, trial part rejections, and collisions.